The hot streak continues. I made 500 bucks this morning pre-market, and I dodged all the chop that it seems like a lot of you got sucked into. So today is May 20th. As you can see here, the month continues to be green for me, except one day. So I am less than $2,000 away from being eligible from another top one futures payout. Here was my first payout at the end of April. Now at the end of May, looking to take my second payout. So super happy with that. Super happy with the performance across this whole month. And I think today emphasizes that even more. What I want to do is show you here on TradeZella how I document each day. I love my daily review videos. So they don't stay empty like this. This is my daily report card. It's very simple. They don't stay empty like this. I fill it out as the day goes on. But what I like to do is do these videos and show you the trades. Now today, awful market. Look at the market here. Awful sideways market conditions. Here's 9:30 market open, sideways 20 points here on ES basically all day between 59.52 and 59.72. My trade was pre-market. It was to the downside, and that's the direction that we ended up moving today. But I didn't need to be in any of this chop today. When the opening range was small, I was happy to be out of this trade and done for the day. So I was short from 59.69, same price I was trading at yesterday, down to 59.64. Only 5 points, everybody. But because I traded it with two minis, you make decent money. You make 500 bucks on it. I'm short based on the hold of the overnight VWAP, and I'm trading down into previous day New York VWAP. That's the light blue line. If you don't have this indicator, go to luxalgo.com. There's a link in the description /ASFX. That's how you can get the automated VWAP and key level indicator. That'll put the overnight VWAP dotted line on here. That'll put the previous day New York on there. So you know, okay, we're underneath the overnight VWAP, all Asian session and London session. We pulled back pre-market before New York. That's a beautiful setup for me to try to take some of that for another leg down. And I'll be out of that trade before the open because I know it can get shaky at market open and turn on me. So I'm happy to just scalp this, take my money, and then see how the open presents. Today, look what happened at market open. It just moved sideways. We're looking at a 2-minute chart here, everybody, not a 1 minute. But if you just measure this in the first 15 minutes from top to bottom, the opening range, literally not even 10 points. Very, very tight. That's not ideal market conditions. Once we found a bottom and a top, we just traded in between it. And that bottom and top is not very far from your opening range high and opening range low. That's the high and low set in the first 15 minutes. If you want to learn more about the way that I trade, Futures 101, I'll link this below, link in my bio as well. Just go to ASFX TV. This is free, and this will teach you the VWAP strategy that I use here. Same VWAP strategy I use every day on our live streams. Again, ASFX TV has Futures 101 for you, and it has the link for our live streams right here. Every week we stream every day. So that was the trade this morning. I was able to come in, make my money, be done, keep my green month going without having to worry about the chop. I was ready to keep trading, but when I'm up on the day and then I see how tight the opening range is, it's a big, big, big red flag for me to just stay flat until something happens. Today, nothing happened until the end of the day at 2 o'clock, 2:20. I'm not trading at 2 o'clock in the afternoon. I did not get into this business to do that. I'll show you really quick, just because today's recap is a little faster. I'll blow this up so you can see it really clearly. This is the stats on this top one futures account that I'm close for a payout. So 38 total trades. It's a 150K account. I'm up 5,600. Average winning trade, 382. Average losing trade, 424. But I only have one losing day. I have 12 winning days. Notice max consecutive winning days, pretty sick, 11. Number of losing trades, also 11. So it's not like I win all of my trades. I just showed you in yesterday's video. I lost 2 and won 1, but still was up $1,000 yesterday. Max consecutive wins, 7. Max consecutive losses, 2. That's another stat that I really lean into. I know I usually don't lose that many in a row. So that helps me stay consistent with my position sizing. Yesterday was the largest profit day. Largest loss day is just the one red day that I've had. I think the best part about this is down here. Average winning hold time, 21 minutes. Average losing hold time, 9 minutes. That means I'm holding my winners longer than my losers, and I'm cutting my losses fast so I don't take big losses. That's the key. If you want to get paid out more, everybody, my biggest tip is just avoid big red days. If you can avoid losing a lot of money and just take those sometimes smaller wins, you'll stack your way to a payout. So stay with me here on my videos. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. We'll see if we get another payout in the same 30-day window as the last one. Also, I've got big podcasts coming up every Saturday. 8 a.m. Eastern. We're doing giveaways on the premiere on YouTube, but the podcasts are available on Spotify, Apple, all that stuff. But make sure you don't miss them. These ones, they're in-person panel podcasts. They're awesome. Prop trading, trading strategy, mindset, entrepreneurship, everything's covered. So you guys will love that. Let's see if we can keep this hot streak going, boys. I appreciate you guys always watching. Make sure you're subscribed, and I'll see you in the next video.